Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a very specific, yet incredibly useful accessory, the J-ZMQER 5FT USB cable, designed as a laptop and PC power cord lead, specifically compatible with the Brookstone iConvert scanner wand model 653782. For anyone who owns this handy portable document and photo scanner, finding the right replacement or spare cable can be crucial to keeping their device operational. This particular cable from J-ZMQER steps in to fill that exact need. It's a 5-foot USB cable, which is a really practical length. It offers enough reach to connect your scanner to a desktop PC or a laptop without being excessively long and creating unnecessary clutter on your workspace. The black color is standard and blends in seamlessly with most tech setups. One of the most important aspects of any accessory, especially one that connects to your valuable electronics, is reliability and safety. While the detailed safety specifications like protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating are typically associated with power adapters, their inclusion in the product description speaks volumes about J-ZMQER's commitment to quality across their product line. This suggests that the cable itself is built with robust materials and proper shielding, ensuring a stable and safe connection for both data transfer and power delivery to your Brookstone iConvert scanner. It means users can connect their scanner with confidence, knowing they are using a product that adheres to international quality certification standards. The primary function of this cable is to link the Brookstone iConvert scanner wand to a laptop or personal computer. This connection is vital for transferring all those scanned documents and cherished photos from the scanner's internal memory to your computer for storage, editing, or sharing. It also serves as the power lead, ensuring the scanner receives the necessary power to operate or charge its internal battery, depending on the scanner's design. The connector type is USB, and it features a male-to-male configuration, which is standard for many peripheral connections. The reviewer found that the cable performs exactly as expected. It provides a snug and secure fit into both the scanner and the computer's USB port, establishing a reliable connection without any fuss. There's no need for special drivers or complicated setups. It's truly a plug-and-play solution. This simplicity is a huge advantage, especially for a portable device like the iConvert scanner, where convenience is key. For owners of the Brookstone iConvert scanner wand model 653782, this J-ZMQER USB cable is an indispensable item. Whether the original cable has been lost, damaged, or if one simply desires a spare for different locations or travel, this product offers a dependable and high-quality solution. It ensures that the scanner remains a functional and valuable tool for digitizing important documents and memories. The brand's emphasis on quality and compatibility makes this a straightforward choice for anyone in need of this specific connection.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.